Oh shit. U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. I'm not going through that traffic, man. Hello guys, welcome back. Going back to office after a long weekend. हमेशा मन तो नहीं होता. What can we do? That is what pays the bills. Why is it so hard to go to office, man, after such a long weekend? I'm not at all in the working mode today, actually. Anyways, just an update. I think it has rained in the morning. बेमौसम बारिश हुई है. This has now stopped actually, but अच्छी खासी बारिश होकर गई है. रोड तो फिलहाल सूख गए, but it's chilly morning actually comparatively to the other days. Right now you are with me on my road to my office, which is not far actually. It's just 9 kilometers. लेकिन फिर भी ये 9 किलोमीटर क्रॉस करने में बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है बीच में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज द ट्रैफिक विच इज अ डेली थिंग. आई गेस आज थोड़ा कम हो सकता है सिंस आई जस्ट रिसीव्ड द न्यूज़ दैट बैंक्स आर गोना बी क्लोज टुडे. सो लेट्स होप कि आज हम ऑफिस एटलीस्ट लेट ना पहुंचे. Nice weather actually. You know, it might change my mood. I might enjoy going back to office. And थोड़ा काम भी कर लूँ फिर आज. क्या पता. You know, I don't have a better camera or anything. I'm using a mobile mount actually to record all this along with the audio. You know, people are judging me. जो भी देख रहा है घूर रहा है. पर क्या है ये? What this guy is doing? You know, everyone is giving me a judgy look. I want to overcome this social anxiety. मैंने motovlogging शुरू किया है. So I shouldn't be bothered with this judgmental looks. Guys, those who don't know about me, I guess first video में थोड़ा audio का issues हो गया था. I don't know, the audio wasn't clear as I expected. But yeah, I'm Pratik. I'm an engineer by profession. Currently, just like you guys, I'm also corporate mazdoor. I'm going to my office after a long weekend. So I've been riding this bike for around 8 years. But मैंने motovlogging recently शुरू किया है. Why so late? Because you know, I was not that confident about motovlogging first of all. But then when I got some courage to do the motovlogging, then I thought there are much better bikes, much better vloggers than me, much better speakers than me actually. मैं अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत अटकूंगा. मुझे पता नहीं आगे क्या बोलना है. I would think in between. So you know, because of all this, I was very reluctant to start motovlogging. And the one thought that kept me back from motovlogging is that this is a classic 350. Mostly everyone owns this nowadays. So if I start motovlogging on this one, then who's gonna watch? But something changed into 2026 after the new year. I don't know, I just got some courage within myself and thought कि let's try once. देखते तो है क्या होगा. So that is the beginning of my journey on YouTube on motovlogging. My videos usually will be these kind of daily rides from office to home, home to office. Probably mostly within the Mumbai area. We'll be creating vlogs for you. So if you genuinely like the content, then you can obviously subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications. Comments are most welcome. So those who recognize the road, this is the Saket Road, going from Thane to Kalwa and then to Navi Mumbai. You know, there used to be an older bridge which is just ahead of here. But somehow they decided that they will build a new bridge, which you can see right now. In my opinion, it somehow wasn't the traffic condition actually. While climbing the bridge, you won't see any traffic, nothing at all, just empty roads and everything. Just as you reach the top, the traffic starts. It sometimes takes 15 to 20 minutes just to cross these 500 meters actually, because there is no space for even bikes to cross. And recently, I did put a short on my YouTube channel as well of a biker using footpath to cross all that traffic. That got pretty good response. I'll show you the point where it was recorded. So this is the place, and on the left hand side you can see this was the gap where that biker went. And this is actually used by many people on a daily basis. इसका नसीब खराब था कि वो वीडियो में आ गया. Hundreds of people use this way, hundreds of two-wheelers actually, to cross this traffic on a daily basis. Here comes the choking point. 3-lane road turns into a 2-lane, which goes under the railways. And you will see different varieties of drivers here. The impatient ones, the calm ones, the rowdy ones, everything. Oh shit. U-turn. I'm not going through that traffic, man.
हम फर्स्ट हम फर्स्ट
बोलते बोलते रिक्शा वाले ने काम कर दिया. I know if I keep yapping continuously, this video will be too long. आखिर कितना बकबक करते सुनोगे मुझे भी. Almost reaching the office. Fortunately, I'm on time today. Usually, I'm 5 to 10 minutes late. I'll see you both. You know, even my colleagues are usually surprised when I reach on time. If my office colleagues are watching this, आप लोगों ने कुछ नहीं सुना है, मैं टाइम पर आता हूँ. And now we go on to some off-roading. You know, roads are like कि भाई इतना अच्छे रास्ते पे चला लिया, थोड़ा तो ऑफ-रोडिंग बनता है यार. ना सीखेगा कैसे? Alright guys, let's end this video here. If you like me yapping or like the content, then please do like and subscribe. Comment छोड़ दो. See you next time. Goodbye.